I'm going to make a structure there, so let's wait for it. I will apply the structure or it change the angle of the structure. So there is a design, we will have that. I will take another one. There is a shape. Let's keep generating the new designs. Further we have that one. Using a design there. I will take it, keep making the shapes. There is a further one. Keep on editing. Thank you for watching.